Welcome to Compare to Win. The best net magnet is probably one of the most innovative tools for anglers, designed to retrieve lost fishing gear with ease. This powerful magnet is a game changer, capable of attracting hooks, lures, and even entire tackle boxes that have found their way to the watery depths. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, this device promises to save you money and frustration by bringing your valuable equipment back to the surface. Number 5. FINDMAG 1000 pounds double-sided fishing magnet kit. This powerful magnet boasts a double-sided design, offering an incredible 1000 pounds of pulling force. It's specifically engineered for retrieving items in various environments, making it a versatile tool for any situation. Featuring a unique double-sided magnetic force, this magnet doubles the surface area for catching targets. The design allows for easy assembly with an eye bolt, making it simple to use. This neodymium magnet is perfect for salvaging iron-containing materials underwater. It's also great for lifting, hanging, and retrieving items. Have fun searching for lost items in your garage or yard. The magnet features a Ni plus Cu plus Ni triple layer coating, providing a shiny and rust-resistant finish. This coating protects the magnet and prevents chipping or cracking, ensuring its longevity. As professional magnet sellers, we offer a wide range of magnets to meet your needs. Search for FINDMAG magnets to find the perfect magnet for your next project. This is the one you are looking for. What we like. This magnet boasts an impressive 1000 pounds of pulling force, making it ideal for heavy-duty retrieval. Its double-sided design maximizes the surface area for catching items. If you're looking for a magnet that can handle the toughest jobs and retrieve large, heavy objects from rivers or lakes, this is the one for you. What people say. The magnet is very strong and can hold a lot of weight. The included magnet is highly durable and powerful, capable of retrieving heavy metal objects from water. Comes with a strong rope, carabiners, gloves, a grappling hook, and thread locker glue for a comprehensive setup. Number 4. FINDMAG 750 pounds double-sided fishing magnet kit. This powerful magnet boasts a pulling force of up to 750 pounds. It's specifically designed for retrieving items in various environments. The double-sided design maximizes its ability to catch targets. Featuring a unique double-sided magnetic force, this design provides double the surface area. It's easy to assemble with eye bolt screws directly into the steel base. This feature enhances the efficiency of the product. This neodymium magnet is perfect for salvaging iron-containing materials underwater. It's also great for magnet fishing, lifting, hanging, and retrieving. You can have fun searching for items in your warehouse, garage, or yard. The Ni plus Cu plus Ni triple layer coating provides the best protection available. This coating ensures the steel cup is shiny and rust-resistant, preventing chipping or cracking. This ensures the product's durability. We are professional magnet sellers, and you can find any magnet you need in our store. Search for FINDMAG magnets to find the perfect magnet for your needs. Trust the brand that specializes in magnets. What we like. This magnet offers a solid 750 pounds of pulling force with a double-sided design for efficient retrieval. The rust-resistant coating ensures durability in various environments. If you are looking for a reliable magnet for general fishing and retrieving tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. The magnet is very strong and can hold a lot of weight. The included magnet is highly durable and powerful, capable of retrieving heavy metal objects from water. Comes with a strong rope, carabiners, gloves, a grappling hook, and thread locker glue for a comprehensive setup. Number 3. Nestbasics Magnetic Aquarium Anti-Jumping Net Cover. Are you worried about your fish jumping out of the tank? This magnetic aquarium net cover is designed to prevent that. It provides a safe and secure environment for your aquatic friends. The kit includes everything you need for easy installation. It comes with magnetic strips, plastic strips, corner buckles, and the net itself. You can customize it to fit your tank. Whether you have a rectangular, curved, or even a diamond-shaped tank, this cover can be adapted. Its flexible design makes it suitable for various aquarium shapes and sizes. Unlike hard glass lids, this net cover is soft and won't harm your fish. It's designed to protect them from injury while still allowing for fresh air circulation. The strong magnetic force ensures a secure fit, while the fine mesh prevents fish of various sizes from escaping. It also allows for excellent light transmittance. This aquarium lid can be cut and installed according to your specific tank dimensions. It's a versatile solution for different gallon aquariums. What we like. This aquarium net cover is designed to prevent fish from jumping out, with a strong magnetic force to keep it securely in place. It's also easy to install and can be cut to fit different tank sizes. If you have an aquarium and want to protect your fish from jumping out, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The 7.5 FT DIY magnetic fish aquarium anti-jumping net cover works well to keep fish safely inside the tank. Once installed, the magnetic net cover stays securely in place and does its job perfectly. The mesh is durable, and the magnetic closure makes it easy to open for feeding or maintenance. Number 2. Booms Fishing MN2 Magnetic Net Release. This magnetic net release holder ensures your net is always within reach. It's designed to keep your net secure and ready for action, so you never miss a moment on the water. With a 6.6 lb pull force, this holder keeps your net firmly in place. It's strong enough to withstand fast river currents, providing reliable security for your fishing gear. You can attach the magnet to either the handle or the hoop of your net. This flexibility allows you to customize the setup to best suit your needs and preferences. Built with 304 stainless steel split rings, this release holder is corrosion resistant. It's perfect for saltwater environments, ensuring durability and longevity. Reattaching your net is simple and quick. Just bring the magnets close together, and they'll snap back into place, ready for your next catch. What we like. This magnetic net release holder ensures your net is always close and ready. With a 6.6 lb pull force, it holds your net securely even in fast currents. If you like fly fishing and need a reliable way to keep your net handy, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. The magnets are super strong. I have used this 4 times and it did a great job. Excellent product, used it to attach my net to my vest. High quality, and excellent workmanship. Number 1. SAMSFX Fishing Magnetic Net Release with Lanyard. This magnetic net release boasts a powerful magnet, capable of holding up to 8.8 pounds. It's built with a strong neodymium magnet and stainless steel screws, ensuring your gear stays secure. Designed with a textured handle, this release provides a secure grip, even with wet hands. This feature makes it easy to quickly open and release the magnetic clip. The included 75 cm safety lanyard is heavy-duty and retractable, preventing loss of your net. It features a strong recoil and hook snap clasps for added security. It comes with a heavy-duty carabiner clip for easy attachment to your vest or boat. A stainless steel split ring is also included for securing your tools, keeping everything safe and accessible. This magnetic release is more than just for nets. It's ideal for holding fly fishing tools and can even be used as a quick-release keychain. The magnet will break free when pulled, allowing cord-free handling. What we like. This magnetic net release features powerful magnetism and a non-slip handle for secure handling. It also comes with a safety lanyard to prevent loss. If you are looking for a secure and convenient way to manage your fishing net, this is a great choice. What people say. When rejoining, the magnets home every time in perfect alignment, and are strong and secure without being difficult to release. The premier attribute of this rig is that the magnets are secured to their respective bases with screws. The standout feature is how the magnets are mounted. Each side is mechanically secured with a screw, not just glued in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.